Take a minute and find the longest chain on this one. Really look. It's tricky. Did you find 8 carbons? There are 8 carbons in the longest chain. Like this. Sometimes people will think this one that's sticking out is a 1-methyl, a methyl on the first carbon. You'll never have a 1-methyl group. If you do, you haven't found your longest chain. So I've got 4 methyl groups. (3,3,5,5) tetramethyl octane, all one word. Remember, we say you give a number or a location for every branch. It doesn't matter if it repeats. Very good. So we've got a couple more things to talk about here. On this one, we want to make sure that we're understanding the structures well. Are either of these, 1 or 2, the same as the one in the red box? One way you can tell is by naming them. If I named this one in the red box, it would be 2-chloropropane. If I named number 1, it would be 1-chloropropane. Okay, so neither one of these are the same as the one in the red box, because in this one the chlorine is on the middle carbon, and on each of these the chlorine is on the end. What is the name of this one? Number 2. Well, if I numbered number 2, I would number this carbon 1, wouldn't I? Like this. So this is 1-chloropropane. These are the same compound. They have the same name. We call them conformers. These are different compounds. The red box and number 1 or 2. These are different compounds. They have different names. They're isomers because they have all the same atoms. So they have to have different names, but yet have all the same atoms involved, and then they're isomers. So down here I think we need to put this. The isomers are the red box and 1/2, and the ones that are the same compound are 1 and 2. Let's try the same thing on this one. We won't name these though. Are any of these the same as the one in the red box? These are the same. The chlorine's on the end, and it's on the end with the double bond. This one has the chlorine on the end. Number 3 has the chlorine on the end, but it's on the wrong end. It's not the end with the double bond. And number 1 doesn't have the chlorine on the end. So these two are the same, and those are both different. So do we have some isomers? So basically, since I didn't say that here, but they all have the same atoms. If we figured out all the hydrogens, these would all be C3H5Cl. So if these two are really the same, then we've got 3 different isomers here. The ones that are the same compound are the red box and 2.